India's richness of diversity and heritage is something to take pride in. From Sushrat Samhita to Aryabhatta, India has a legacy of innovation. In the 21st century, the nature of challenges for India has undergone a transformation. Starting 10th of August, Times Now in association with DuPont through a path-breaking series will bring you face to face with modern-day Aryabhattas who've combined the power of science with the power of zero to shape the future.
India has a rich history of science and innovation. None greater than Aryabhatta, who unleashed the power of zero and revolutionized the world. Shunya shaped the history and how it has the power to shape the future. Take a look.
In the last 60 years, India has changed so quickly, and yet so many of us can barely keep up. On one hand, there's unprecedented opportunity, and on the other, a lack of even the basic necessities for living a dignified life.
We have 200 million hungry. We have 300 million illiterate. We need to worry about water, sanitation, literacy. I think these are the real challenges that we need to focus on. So innovations today need to really focus more on how do we improve lives of millions and billions at the bottom of the economic pyramid.
But even as we expand, how can we make sure that we avoid the double-edged sword of development? Is there a way to innovate and grow without leaving people out of the equation or causing even more problems?
We should also, as I told you earlier, underline the importance of linking science and development with economic development. The two actually go together. And unless we see them as conjoined processes, we will not be able to help our country very much.
Now more than anything, science needs to join hands with development to unlock the power of zero, to unleash innovations that could lead us to zero carbon footprint, zero hunger, zero workplace hazards.
We have a firm belief that we can strive to and achieve the goal of Shunya, which is zero accidents in the workplace.
Very simply, the power of Shunya would mean that there should not be a single baby out there who should die needlessly.
Zero inspires creativity. Zero inspires improvement. Zero inspires us. Over the next 15 weeks, we will showcase Indians who believe in the power of zero and are using the power of science and innovation to tackle India's challenges.